Welcome back to English Tube. Let's learn English through a story. Today I'm going to bring you a short story about a haunted doll. Let's listen to this story. In a small town, there was a little girl named Emma. Emma loved collecting dolls, and her favorite was a beautiful doll named Lily. Lily had big blue eyes and golden curls, but there was something strange about her. She always seemed to be watching Emma. One stormy night, Emma was alone at home, and she heard strange noises coming from her room. She followed the eerie sounds and found Lily sitting on a chair, moving her head as if nodding. Emma felt uneasy, but thought it was just her imagination playing tricks on her. The next night, the noises grew louder, and Emma woke up to find Lily standing at the foot of her bed, staring right at her. Terrified, she ran to her parents' room and tried to explain what had just happened, but they dismissed it as a nightmare. As the days passed, Lily's movements became more frequent and more menacing. Emma started seeing shadows lurking in the corners of her room, and sometimes she heard whispering voices when she was alone. Lily seemed to be spreading fear throughout the house. Emma's parents finally began to believe her when they witnessed strange occurrences themselves. Doors slammed shut without any wind, and objects moved on their own. They decided to seek help from a paranormal investigator. The investigator, Mr. Anderson, arrived at Emma's house. He brought with him various equipment and sensed a strong paranormal presence around the doll. Mr. Anderson began asking questions to the entity haunting the doll, and to everyone's shock, the doll's head slowly turned toward him. Emma and her family were both terrified and amazed. Mr. Anderson calmly spoke to the spirit within the doll, trying to understand why it has caused such disturbances. He learned that Lily was the spirit of a little girl who had died tragically many years ago and had attached herself to the doll. The spirit revealed that she had been lonely and wanted to play with someone. She had chosen Emma because she saw her reflection of her younger self in the girl. But her attempts to interact had only frightened Emma and the family. Mr. Anderson came up with a plan to help the spirit move on peacefully. He suggested that they find a new home for Lily, a place where she could feel loved and safe. Emma hesitated, as she had grown attached to the doll, despite the fear it caused. However, realizing that it was best for both Lily and her family, Emma agreed. They said their goodbyes to the haunted doll, wishing her happiness in her new home. With a sense of relief, they watched as Mr. Anderson took the doll away. From that day on, Emma's house felt calm and peaceful again. The shadows disappeared, and the whispers ceased. Emma learned that sometimes even the things we love can carry secrets and stories beyond our understanding. Emma never forgot about Lily, but she knew it was for the best. She continued collecting dolls, but this time she made sure to treat them with care and love, just like she would with any friend. And so the haunted dolls chapter came to an end, leaving behind a valuable lesson for Emma and her family, that some things are best left to move on, no matter how difficult it may be. I hope you enjoyed this story. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell and share it with your friends. I have given the story and the translation in the description below, and also I have given the meaning of the difficult words in the description. I'll see you with another story.